Hey guys, just wanted to show you my two new little bonsais I found in the as-is section at IKEA for $2. I'm super stoked on them, and it's been a few weeks now since I got them, and I didn't expect them to survive, but because they were $2, of course I got them. I mean, come on. And so far, this one is doing awesome. It has so many new leaves. You guys might hear my little guy talking. Sorry about that. We'll make a ball in just 1 second, boo. And you can see that the older leaves are dark green, and all of these new nice little green leaves are new growth. So this one's doing awesome. It started to get leaves like pretty much the moment I brought it home, and I'm just thrilled. I know I should probably chop it up a little more, but I didn't do anything to it just to see if it would get new leaves. So maybe in spring, I really don't know. I have to research this plant a little more to find out when to trim it, but maybe I'll give it a little trim and it will become nice and full and beautiful again. Now this guy, I didn't have much hope that anything was going to happen, but I've just been, keeping it around because these leaves are not dead. It had another branch here, but it got really dry and just kind of broke off. So I really didn't think this one was going to make it, but, and I don't know if the video will show. Oh, maybe right. So right there, there's some new growth, and right at the tip, if you can see that little piece of greenery right there, that is new growth. So I think this one's gonna awaken too. So I'm really excited that I might be able to take care of these. Every other bonsai that I've bought in my life, I've just murdered it immediately. So maybe this is the way to go. Just buy ones that are half dead and try to revive them. Anyways, guys, if you have any advice for me, I believe the name of this is, still haven't taken the stickers off, Ficus microcarapa? Carapa? Can't say that. So I'm coming, baby. So this is the name. If anyone has advice, let me know, guys. See you soon.